Aloka, the walking peace dog. Aloka is known around the world as the walking peace dog. He walks beside the peace marks, quietly, faithfully, across countries and long distance. Aloka doesn't speak, yet his presence delivers a profound message to the world. He is not trained to lead. He is not forced to follow. Aloka walks by choice, while the monks walk mindfully for peace, compassion, and nonviolence. Aloka walks with the same calm spirit. He doesn't react with anger or fear. He remains gentle, patient, and steady, even in unfamiliar situations. Aloka does not recognize nationality, religion, or race.